When you envision being in the prime of your life, what do you see? For some, it's improved confidence. For others, it's fulfilling a lifelong dream. But what connects everyone is wanting to have the health and energy necessary to live the life they want. To empower you on your journey to achieve ambitious, lifelong success, Unicity developed the Prime Challenge to help anyone achieve their prime. The Prime Challenge is a breakthrough in wellness. This 90-day program will take you from your present condition to your desired prime. Instead of reminiscing about what used to be or lamenting about what could have been, realize that you can be in your prime right now, whatever your age. The Prime Challenge is based on 3 simple but powerful steps. The first step is cleanse. We are exposed to toxins, parasites, and other pollutants every day. To thoroughly cleanse your body, you need to increase your hydration, at least 64 ounces of water each day, and do a formal cleanse at least twice each year, one that scrubs your digestive tract and removes parasites and toxins from your body. You'll be amazed how you look and feel after cleansing. The second step is balance. Once you've cleansed, you've set the stage to bring your body into balance. Our bodies are designed to operate most efficiently when they find equilibrium. For example, cholesterol is a vital part of cell function and digestion. But when out of balance, it can cause serious cardiovascular problems. The same is true for glucose. Glucose provides energy. It's food for the cell. But when in excess, it can lead to inflammation and surplus fat storage. Bringing your body into balance is a vital step to improving how you look and feel. The third step is build. After cleansing and balancing, your body now has the foundation it needs to build toward your prime. Whether strengthening your core, building your cellular structure, or losing excess weight, the Prime Challenge will turn your weaknesses into strengths and take your current strengths to the next level. These 3 steps, supported by Unicity's guiding principles and world-class products, are the solution to achieving your prime.
Today I feel fabulous. I feel good. I look good. My confidence, I feel great when I'm training my clients. I feel like I can motivate others.
About 8 or 9 weeks into the program, people really started noticing how my physical appearance had changed. So I could just tell I feel better, I look better. My cholesterol substantially lowered from 218 to 154, which is not something I can see or feel, but it sure makes me sleep a whole lot better at night.
Our children have noticed that we're happier.
They're just so empowered. They're ready to just go out there and hang with the kids, go play some volleyball, be active. Just confidence is just sprouted through them, and it's so exciting to see that.
We are more positive, we have more energy, and they love that.
Every single one of our children, from 18 down to 5 years old, is now wanting to exercise on a fairly consistent basis, which is very exciting for us.
I'm 49 years old. I'm in the best shape of my life. I actually feel myself living a long life and having a great future. This is something that it's completely changed the way I feel, the way I look, and the way I approach everything.
Start now by defining your prime. How would you like to see yourself in 90 days? What do you want to be able to do 90 days from now that you can't do today? Achieve the look and energy you have always wanted. Start the Prime Challenge today.